Alright guys, so we're back in the tunnel, which means we are headed to late lunch, early dinner, as Mariah Carey likes to call it. But we're headed back to the pavilion to go get something to eat, and then hopefully we can explore the stores in Pavilion a little bit more. So we got there pretty late last night. We got there with enough time to actually eat dinner and then go into one store. But I'd love, personally, to actually walk around because, like we established yesterday, there's 7 solid floors, 10 technically, but 7 solid floors worth of stores. And I've never been to a mall that big in my life, so I'm really excited to just go back, first and foremost eat, and then to explore what Pavilion has to offer. So as you can see, this is a construction site here near the tunnels that connect all the major buildings to one another, and this is probably going to be another hotel spot. There's a lot of construction happening around Malaysia right now in terms of building new apartments, building new hotels, because of, I feel like, the increased tourism that is happening with the country. So we just walked through that tunnel and then that tunnel to now finally arrive at sort of the side entrance of Pavilion, one of the many side entrances here in Pavilion. And my parents have stopped here at this money exchange that is just conveniently placed, strategically and conveniently placed for anyone entering from over there. Okay, so I just had pasta, and Mom is, what did you have? Okay, she had like this.
Sarawak.
What?
Sarawak.
Okay, and then Dad is finishing his food over there. It's my dad's birthday, by the way. How old are you, Dad, now? 52. You're 52? 5? 50? 7.
Where are you going?
Around. I want to see what dessert they have here. Okay, bye. At the table. I really should have brought my glasses because I can't see anything from far away. They don't have food courts like this in America, I'll tell you that. So this is a place called ABC Cooking Studio. I'm not quite sure if this is like a cooking school. Do they learn how to cook here? I don't know, but it's really interesting. I have never seen anything like this in a mall before. Oh, these are so this is like a cooking school.
Yeah, it's like
oh, okay.
Cake lessons over here, bread lessons, and another cake lessons. So you guys are from where?
We're from California.
Oh, listen.
Yeah, she likes to bake.
Oh.
I don't know how to cook. I don't know why she's standing out there. She would be more interested.
I mean, for how long are you going to stay here?
Oh, we're leaving tomorrow.
Oh, so
yeah, I know. We should come back though. This is a cooking school, Mom. It's like a cooking school.
This is a cooking school.
Yeah.
So do you just teach like Malaysian foods or?
It's actually Japanese food.
Oh, Japanese foods.
It's
Oh, okay.
actually a company from Japan itself.
Oh, okay.
This is the first studio in Malaysia.
Oh, okay.
How usually is your course though?
You have 2 hours lessons normally per session. So let's say Mary Curie products over here, Mary Curie menu. So it will last up to 2 hours the lesson. So every 2 hours. So we give you the recipe and also all the ingredients will be provided from us.
Oh wow. And then you get to eat it at the end?
Yes.
Oh, but what if it's not good?
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
No. 99% all of our product will turn out to be great.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's really cool. For any of my British viewers, they have this thing called It Cake. And it looked like they offer European inspired or maybe specifically British inspired meals. Let me know in the comment section below if there is a thing called It Cakes in London. They also have Nando's here, which I didn't show, was on another side of the food court, but I know Nando's seems to be a pretty big thing with you guys over in the UK. One time in my life when I thought Bobbi Brown, the makeup person, was the same person as Bobbi Brown, my prerogative. Married Whitney Houston, Bobbi Brown. They're not the same person. What you get?
Get something, yeah.
Okay. Anything else? Okay, I'm flying solo right now. I left my parrot sitting on the steps. Right now, I think I'm currently in like the very high-end area of the store because over here we have Burberry. Over here we have Tiffany & Company. Right across over there we have Manolo Blahniks, Givenchy, Fendi, Ferragamo. Oh, Prada. I'm going back around because who am I kidding? I can't afford any of this stuff. But fun fact, I peeked inside that Gucci and there's actually, I believe it's 2 stories. So 1 and then 2.